This motherfucker definitely look like a goddamn club.
Hey guys, welcome back. So, this is a nice hotel, huh? 6 a.m. in the morning, out here in Vegas. I'll show you a little bit more about that. But this episode, we're gonna do something really cool. I promised I was gonna get this video out a long time ago. Thank you for bearing with me. It takes a little bit of time when you're traveling so much. And anyway, I won't give you any more excuses. But hope you guys enjoy this episode. This one's going to be about just a little bit of college appreciation. So without further ado, I bring to you
If y'all haven't seen Black Mirror, I'm watching it right now. There's something wrong with you. Figure that out about your life. No, but seriously, figure your life out.
Later. 3 hours later. Approximately 10 hours later.
So, I'm out here getting ready to take these shoes to my man. Yeah, man. Let's see how it goes. So, the party started at 9. It actually starts at 9:30, and yeah. Thanks, LB.
Look how fresh Mike Lowry looks.
So since you're not here, I'll do an unboxing for you.
Right now, I'm gonna go ahead and put those right there. It's not Christmas, and I know.
Online or in general? You can paint these when you painted my shit?
I mean, you'll see.
Just painted the box.
Merry Christmas, bitch. Dog.
I hope it's an ice, man. It's not an ice. I have an artist artists in my family, alright?
I hope you enjoy it too.
I fucking better, LB. These were J's, dog. Oh, shit. Oh. You were very Jesus, Mike.
I'm just saying though. I'm trash.
Holy shit.
I mean, that basketball season gonna be dope though, right?
That was a good fucking job, LB.
Basketball season gonna be nice though. Because when you
Appreciate it. Y'all follow Hayze. What is it, Hayze?
The Hayze one.
The Hayze one.
The Hayze one.
Atlanta Fighters are Hayze, so it's whatever. Damn, this came out good though.
Thank you. Customs that don't look custom. Just saying. You know? Yeah. All right. Appreciate that.
Happy birthday, dear Mike. Happy birthday to you.
You're old as fuck.
Thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. Bunch of new stuff coming. I'm sorry for the wait for all this other stuff. When a bunch of stuff is coming, it just takes some time sometimes. So thanks for being patient with me. And I promise you guys, we got some new sneakers, some interviews, collabs, everything that you want or that I want for this channel is coming. And I hope you enjoy those shoes, LB. Stay tuned.